Welcome to the Scholars Learning classes. In this video, we will be studying about the chemical change. See, a change with which you are quite familiar is the rusting of iron. See, whenever you see the iron gates that are exposed to in the open environment, you see that there is a brown color layer that appears on this iron gate. Now, this brownish film that acquires on the substance is called rust. Now, if you leave a piece of iron in the open for some time, it acquires a film of brownish substance, and this brownish substance is called rust, and the process is known as rusting. So, number one is rusting of iron. Now, if you leave a piece of iron in the open for some time, it acquires a film of brownish substance. Now that brownish substance is called, this substance is called rust, and the process is called rusting. Now this is the rusting of iron, and this is a chemical change that is occurring. Let's suppose you have iron gates in the park or farmland, iron benches kept in lawns and gardens. Almost every article of iron that is kept in the open gets rusted. At home, you will also see that if there are iron nails that are exposed to the atmosphere for some time, then also there is rust, or there is a brown color layer that gets on it, that is rust. So this is a rusting, this is a chemical change that occurs. Let's take the other activity, that is activity 2, and this you should do this activity in a guidance of your teacher. You should not perform this activity all alone. Take a candle. Let's suppose this is a candle and this is a flame on the candle, right? Now take a magnesium ribbon. This is a magnesium ribbon. Right. Now when you burn this magnesium ribbon with the air, you get the smoke out of it. The smoke you see is very dangerous for health, for your eyes, so do not see this smoke for a longer period of time. When this magnesium ribbon is burning, the smoke is emitted and you will see some ash that left behind. Now mix this ash into water. Mix ash into water. Right. Now we will see that if you mix ash into water, is this substance acidic or is this substance basic or neutral, with the help of litmus paper that we have studied in the previous chapter. Right. Now let's see. You have magnesium ribbon. Now the scientific name of magnesium sign is Mg plus oxygen that is present in the environment. When you burn it, you get magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide, MgO. Now this is ash is a magnesium oxide. This road is Mg, so it gets in contraction with oxygen, so it gets the ash, that is magnesium oxide. Now when you add this magnesium oxide into water, we all know that magnesium oxide plus water, what is the chemical name of the water? It is H2O. It gives you magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, that is MgOH2. Now we have studied in the acid and base chapter that your magnesium hydroxide that you get out of it by burning the magnesium ribbon and collecting the ash and dissolving it into water. Magnesium hydroxide, it is a base. So when you put the red litmus paper in it, red litmus will turn blue. Or you test it with blue litmus will remain unchanged. Now a new substance is formed from the magnesium ribbon. A new substance, magnesium hydroxide, is formed. A new chemical is formed. The properties of this magnesium hydroxides are completely different. So this is the chemical change that is occurring. Now, a chemical change occurs when two substances react chemically to form new substance with different chemical properties. So this is known as your chemical change, where new substance is formed with the reaction of new substances formed with the reaction of two substances. The properties are totally different. So this is your chemical change. I hope you have understood this. If you have any doubt, you can consult your previous video of 6th standard regarding the chemical change, or you can ask me and write down your problems in the comment box so that I can help you out with it. And please download our Scholars Learning app.